Hi or good day. Hey everyone, today I'm here at the Danish Data Science Community Meetup with one of my very good friend, Andreas, senior AI engineer at Simply TV and one of the biggest AI nerd. We'll have a short and practical conversation about Claude, the difference between Claude Chat, Claude Code and Claude Coworker. People often get confused about when to use which one. So we'll try to make it simple and practical. We'll also talk about how AI tools are getting expensive and how developers can think about optimizing cost space. So over to you, Andreas, now.
Yeah.
You can start with the quick introduction about yourself.
Yeah, so I think it sums up pretty well that I'm just a huge AI nerd. I love building with AI and I love building apps and projects which use AI to do automations and do cool stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with very simple. Let's say I am the very first time I'm open Claude app actually.
Yeah.
So what are the things I have to follow? I mean, what is the difference between, there are so many things inside the Claude Code, Coworker and Chat actually.
Yeah.
So what is the difference and when to use which one?
Yeah, let's start. If you're really just starting new and both if you haven't had much experience using AI and using chatbots, I think Claude is a very good place to start. Basic Claude Chat just have very basic tooling, which means that it can go on the web, it can visit websites, and it can create small visualizations for you. One of the very cool things that you discover quickly when using Claude is that it starts remembering things about you and it asks, oh, can I remember this? Can I remember that? And this is like the memory system which allows it to learn more from session to session. This is one of the fundamental things about using Claude for work is that it becomes smarter as you go. One of the first things I would do if I was using Claude for my work and I wasn't a very technical person, I would ask Claude to help me make a skill. Claude skills is something that is embedded in the whole stack. So learning about a skill in the chat version is going to be helpful in the Claude Coworker and in Claude Code. So I could make a skill called take my LinkedIn data and make it into a presentation. So that asking Claude to help me make that skill such that every time I need to do this task, Claude will know and learn from this skill such that it can follow my guidelines and my taste in how I want this task done.
Yeah, but so then Claude Code is designed for developers, or for example, let's say I'm a non-technical person, I never code in my life and I want to start using Claude Code. Is it possible for non-technical friends to use Claude Code?